moving day and I'm so excited because for the first time ever I hired movers. It's unheard of. I'm so hyper independent. I'm always saying no, it's okay, I got it, I don't need help. Well, I asked Piece of Cake Moving to help me with this one because coming down 5 flights of steps with furniture, clothes, and knickknacks was not gonna happen. It wasn't gonna happen for me. I did it when I first moved here and I'm not gonna do it again. So let's start by going over what I had in my studio because I had a lot. They arrived promptly. They started doubling up on the boxes, taking it down the 5 flights of stairs. They were so incredibly quick. These guys were so hardworking. They were so much fun, had a positive attitude, disassembled all my furniture. They had everything organized. They took care of my belongings. They had a system in place. They really did. They worked together as a team. As you can see, they were wrapping, double wrapping, triple wrapping everything, which I was really appreciative of because my belongings were going to get to my new place safe and sound, and going down those 5 flights is not easy. So they really did make it look like a piece of cake. Look at my empty apartment, all that done in an hour. I was so impressed. So off to the new place we go. I was so stoked, you guys. This is my new spot. Yay, exciting. 5 minutes later, the movers showed up and got right to it. They started unloading everything and even moving the boxes into the rooms that they're supposed to go in. Then they reassembled my bed, my cabinets, everything was done. So thank you so much, Piece of Cake Moving. You were a true lifesaver.